Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious, fluffy sourdough discard waffles. The link will be in the descriptions for the printable recipe just below. For this recipe, you're going to want 2 cups of sourdough starter. It doesn't have to be active. You can just have discard that's been sitting in your fridge for a while. It will work perfectly. Now, you're going to want 2 cups of this. After you add your 2 cups into your measuring bowl, you're going to want 1 egg. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of either melted butter, milk kefir, which is what I added here, or milk. Any of those would do just fine. You're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to give your recipe a bit of a mix. Afterward, add some maple sugar, maple syrup, any sweetener you like. You'll want 2 tablespoons of that. Once it's really mixed well and nice and liquidy, add at the very end the baking soda. You'll want 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Your batter should be somewhat thick, but also flowing. So you don't want a super runny one because then you won't get fluffy waffles that way. But you don't want it to be super thick either because then it will make your waffles more dense. Make sure that your waffle maker is nice and hot. So it should already have like the little green light on, showing you that it's ready to be cooked. I do have a non-stick one. I know that they're not the healthiest, but that is the one we currently use and I'm okay with that. After about 4 minutes, you'll find that your waffles will be done, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make homemade waffles. They're so crunchy, and the inside is nice and fluffy. After, just take it out and just keep making more waffles as you go. So this recipe generally makes about 8 waffles. Add some butter on top, maple syrup, whatever your heart desires. Put it on top and enjoy. Now remember, waffles don't just have to be sweet. You can definitely make these savory as well and add some cheese in it. You can use the waffles as your bread for sandwiches. Yes, that's true. They're so delicious. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more clean living, sourdough recipes, and homemaking. I'll see you guys again in my next video. You have a lovely day.